One thing that most people keep in their kitchens is baking soda. It's got a lot of applications, particularly in the kitchen. You might be surprised to learn that baking soda has a lot of hidden benefits for self-care and housekeeping. Let's talk about 9 useful tips for using baking soda. Number 9. Get rid of fridge smell. Lots of different items are in your refrigerator. Juice, meat, veggies, and dairy products shouldn't be left together in a tight environment. In actuality, you ought to see if any of the items have gone bad. On a plate, spread some baking soda. When you're ready, disconnect the refrigerator and take the contents out. After everything has been removed, place the platter in the refrigerator and let it sit there for a few minutes. This will help to absorb the odor. Number 8. Clean away stains. It can be really annoying to find stains on your clothes. This is when baking soda comes in handy again. Here's where you can use the old-fashioned baking soda and water mixture. A thick paste may be made by combining 1/4 cup water with 4 teaspoons of baking soda. This paste is effective against a wide range of stains. Applying baking soda paste on your clothes will restore their original appearance. Number 7. Fix rough skin. Dry foot skin can be relieved with baking soda. It will take a little longer time for you to finish this cure. Spend 15 to 20 minutes soaking your feet in warm water. Next, combine some baking soda and water. Rub the water on your feet soles once more. Baking soda has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve itchy or inflamed skin. Simply combine some baking soda and a tiny bit of coconut oil, if you have some on hand. This produces a paste that you may use for up to 5 minutes on your skin. Number 6. Body scrub. This one and the one that gets rid of rough skin are comparable. Combine 1 part water with 3 parts baking soda to make this mixture. This process will provide a dense paste. When you're ready to scrub, apply the paste to the areas of your body that need cleaning. You could find that your skin feels smooth and fresh once you're done. This special baking soda paste exfoliates your skin and gives it a youthful appearance. Number 5. Bad breath. Everybody has had morning breath problems. It's the first speed bump of the day for a lot of us. But baking soda's magical properties can help with foul breath. Halitosis, or bad breath, is typically brought on by food particles that dissolve easily from your teeth. This might include both healthful and junk food. Simply combine 2 teaspoons of baking soda with 1 cup of warm water to get rid of it. You may use this to make a mouthwash. Research has demonstrated that baking soda is a powerful anti-bad breath agent. Number 4. Helps insect bites. 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of water can be combined to make a paste. After the paste is well combined, apply it to the bite and allow it to sit for 10 minutes or so before rinsing it off. Note that this remedy is only recommended for bites from mosquitoes. Other bites may react negatively and require medical attention. Number 3. Fix heartburn. Over 60 million people in America have heartburn. 15 million of them claim to have heartburn symptoms daily. If you get heartburn on a regular basis, changing your diet is usually advised, but in situations when medication is not available, you still need a solution. To make a drink, try adding a spoonful of baking soda to a glass of water. Baking soda is supposed to neutralize stomach acids once ingested, yet further study is required to confirm this claim. One natural antacid that might help with acid reflux is sodium bicarbonate. Number 2. Deodorant. Baking soda is a natural solution to eliminate underarm odor, unlike store-bought solutions. You'll be relieved to hear that using this cure is really easy. Combine 1/8 cup baking soda and 1 teaspoon water. Make sure it doesn't evaporate completely. You may massage it under your arm once it's combined. Combining baking soda with cornstarch increases its potency as well. The identical ratio of 1 part cornstarch to 1 part baking soda will effectively combat body odor. Number 1. Whitens your teeth. Dental neglect will eventually manifest in our teeth if we don't take proper care of them. Cleaning by itself isn't always effective. Baking soda has inherent whitening qualities. According to studies, toothpaste that contains baking soda works far better than toothpaste that doesn't to get rid of yellow stains. Additionally, studies have demonstrated that baking soda effectively eliminates plaque. By producing alkalinity in your mouth, baking soda keeps germs from growing and protects your teeth from harm. Add a few tsp of baking soda to a little amount of lemon juice. Lemon juice has adequate strength to assist in removing all of the tough debris from your mouth. When it's ready, brush your teeth with your toothbrush. Before you go ahead and try it yourself, just know that this is not an overnight fix. Some tooth damage can be extensive, and baking soda is a light remedy for early issues. Baking soda is an absolutely fantastic ingredient for baking and cooking as well as for usage around the house. But although some baking soda containing items should be avoided, others should be a part of your diet. What do you use baking soda for? Cooking, cleaning, or self-care? Let us know in the comments below.